Hi, I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. First thing you can do is please subscribe to my Guitar Lesson YouTube channel. Second thing, please like my video. And third thing, please ring that bell. So today we're going to work on long, easy blues notes licks. So what are those? We're going to learn how to play longer notes. So playing really little notes here in your improvisation. We'll be using the key of B minor pentatonic. Okay? I'm thinking more like minor blues. So we'll be using also what we call the bendings here. Also the slides. And also the vibrato here. So the vibrato is a quick oscillation and regular one here. That's going to make the note shiver. Let's go on lick number 1.